Welcome. If you're looking for a way to stop receiving messages from everyone on Pinterest using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable messages from people you don't know using the latest Pinterest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will open up your account settings where you can manage all your preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Social Permissions. Click on it to expand more options. This is where you can control who can interact with you on Pinterest, including who can send you messages. Scroll down until you find the Messages section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Everyone Else. Next to it, there's an Edit button. Click on Edit to change your messaging preferences. A pop-up or a new section will appear with different options for message delivery. To stop receiving messages from people you don't know, select the option that says Don't Deliver. This setting ensures that messages from users who aren't your friends or followers won't reach your inbox. After selecting Don't Deliver, make sure to click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. You've now disabled messages from everyone else on Pinterest. This simple update gives you more control over your privacy and helps keep your inbox clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience.